The iPhone 17 series has taken the world by storm and flying is off shelves, but some early buyers are spotting a surprising flaw. These stunning phones might be a little too scratchy. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech updates. Reports from Bloomberg reveal that the most eye-catching colors, deep blue on the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max, and space black on the iPhone 17 Air are showing visible scratches, especially on the glass panel under the camera and even on the camera housing itself. Images shared by users and tech sites like Cosmetic show that even MagSafe chargers can leave marks on these glossy surfaces. Lighter color options seem far better, possibly because scratches don't show up as easily on them. But for the darker shades, every little scratch screams, "I'm here." The only possible reason for this to happen is changing the body material. While the iPhone 16 Pro series use titanium, the iPhone 17 Pro models have aluminum bodies, which might be more prone to these minor scratches. Well, it's a bit of a heartbreak because these phones are undeniably beautiful. I mean, just look at that deep blue and sleek space black. But now buyers need to be extra careful. Luckily, these scratches are limited to outside only and won't affect how the phone works. So if you're planning on grabbing one of these darker models, a case isn't just an additional accessory but a must-have to keep your phone looking flawless. While the iPhone 17's beauty might come with a scratchy downside, with a little care and a good case, you can still enjoy one of the most talked about phones without worry. So, will you use a case or buy a lighter shade? Let us know in the comments. And if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.